Welcome to this step-by-step guide for installing Impact Recovery Systems surface mount quarter-turn base with multi-surface anchors. Before we begin, make sure you have the following materials: surface mount quarter-turn base, 16mm by 3-inch plastic sleeves, 4 pieces, 1/2-inch by 4-inch lag screws, 4 pieces, 1/2-inch washers, 4 pieces. You'll also need the following tools: a hammer drill, 5/8-inch hammer drill bit, a small hammer, an impact wrench with a 3/4-inch socket, a 1/8-inch Allen wrench if you're using the tamper-proof model, compressed air with an air gun or a shop vac and brush for cleaning. Start by placing the base on the surface with the arrows aligned in the direction you want the sign or post to face. Once positioned, mark the anchor holes. Next, using your hammer drill with a 5/8-inch bit, drill 4 holes to a depth of 3 inches if you're working on asphalt or 3.5 inches for concrete. Once the holes are drilled, make sure they're completely clear of debris. Now, gently tap the 16mm plastic sleeves into the holes with a small hammer. The top of each sleeve should be flush with the surface. Place the base over the aligned holes. Then assemble the washers to the lag screws and begin inserting the screws through the anchor holes into the plastic sleeves. Use your impact wrench with a 3/4-inch socket to snugly tighten the lag screws. The washers should sit countersunk beneath the surface of the base. Insert the post into the quarter-turn socket with the sign or post facing 90 degrees clockwise from the final desired position. Push down and rotate the post clockwise until it's fully seated in the socket. For the standard model base, take a small hammer and install the L-shaped keeper pin through the base into the post holes. Lay the pin flat in the retention socket on the top of the base. If you're using a tamper-proof base, install the 1/4-inch by 1/4-inch stainless steel set screw through the base into one of the post holes. This will prevent the post from rotating under impact. And there you have it, a secure and reliable installation of the surface mount quarter-turn base. For more information on this and other Impact Recovery Systems products, visit our website or contact our team, impactrecovery.com, or call our team at 1-800-736-5256.